Yeah, today's video is gonna be an audition for a Lightning Academy. It's a voice actor series. If you want more information, wait until the end. But for now, here's my audition. Enjoy. Hello, ladies. Here's your bad boy, Yuki. Cutie. Are you waiting for me? Oh, come on. Why does nobody find me attractive? Normally this is the part where the video ends, but I decided to keep going, have a bit of fun, and then I voice act for a few other characters and see where it goes. And they are females, because most of them are females. Luckily they will still add some males, so I might do this again if there's like a character I really want to try voice acting for. Either way, let's do this. I just found the carrot. Oh, nobody cares. Okay, maybe we could find something else, like this notebook, or even this one. Thank you, but I wanna go home and sleep. See? Oops. Sorry. I didn't mean to bump into you. My poor books. What if Principal Miss Grump will come? She would be so mad. I said quiet. This is the end of the video. Now I'll talk more about the Lightning Academy editions. So basically, it's a gacha voice actor series made by avii or avii Studios, whether you want to call it. If you want more information, I'll link down the YouTube channel and this group of the auditions. Until next time, goodbye.